Running a salon isn't just about styling hair or offering beauty treatments, it's a business. But many salon owners are unknowingly making mistakes that reduce their profits and hold back their growth. In this video, we'll uncover the most common salon business mistakes and, most importantly, how you can fix them to boost your revenue and scale your salon successfully. Mistake number 1: underpricing your services. One of the biggest mistakes salon owners make is charging too little. You might think lower prices will attract more clients, but in reality, it devalues your expertise and limits your growth. Clients associate low prices with lower quality. You work harder, but earn less. Discount-driven clients may not stay loyal. How to fix it? Research competitor pricing and position yourself as a premium service provider. Offer value-based packages instead of heavy discounts. Gradually increase your prices while adding more value. Clients will pay for quality. Mistake number 2: poor appointment and time management. Time is one of your most valuable assets in the salon business. Poor scheduling can lead to lost revenue and unhappy clients. Overbooking leads to rushed services and frustration. No-shows and last-minute cancellations reduce earnings. Long wait times can drive customers away. How to fix it? Use a POS system with built-in scheduling tools to manage bookings efficiently. Require small deposits for bookings to reduce last-minute cancellations. Plan service durations strategically to avoid gaps in your schedule. Mistake number 3: not upselling or cross-selling. If you're only offering basic services, you're missing out on extra revenue. The most profitable salons increase their income through upselling and cross-selling. Not suggesting premium treatments means clients don't know what's available. Skipping product sales sends clients to buy elsewhere. Not offering loyalty perks reduces repeat business. How to fix it? Train staff to recommend add-ons like deep conditioning, scalp massages, or styling. Sell high-quality hair care products directly in your salon. Introduce VIP memberships with discounts and exclusive perks for loyal clients. Mistake number 4: weak online presence and marketing. If clients can't find you online, you're losing potential business. No Google My Business profile means fewer people discover your salon. Inactive social media pages make your business look outdated. Not using paid ads limits your ability to attract new clients. How to fix it? Set up and optimize your Google My Business listing for local searches. Post engaging content on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Before and after photos, reels, client testimonials. Use targeted ads to reach local clients actively searching for salon services. Mistake number 5: poor customer experience and retention issues. Attracting new clients is important, but keeping them coming back is the real secret to a successful salon. Inconsistent service quality makes clients hesitant to return. No follow-up or personalized engagement means lost repeat business. Ignoring client feedback can hurt your reputation. How to fix it? Train your team to deliver a consistent, high-quality experience. Offer a loyalty program to reward and retain customers. Follow up with personalized thank you messages and appointment reminders. Avoiding these mistakes can make a massive difference in your salon's growth and profitability. Which mistake do you think is the most common? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more salon business tips. See you in the next video.